You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
This weekend is shaping up to be a treat for skywatchers, with two major celestial events unfolding almost back-to-back. On Sunday, parts of the southern hemisphere will witness a dramatic partial solar eclipse, while at nearly the same time, Saturn will shine its brightest as it reaches opposition. It's a rare double feature in the night and day skies, and while not everyone will get the same view, the cosmic spectacle is worth knowing about. Let's start with the eclipse. A partial solar eclipse happens when the moon slides in front of the sun, but doesn't cover it completely. Instead of the total blackout that happens during a total eclipse, this one will make the sun look as if a giant bite has been taken out of it. On September 21 to 22, depending on location, this effect will be seen across regions of the South Pacific, New Zealand, parts of Australia, and Antarctica. In New Zealand, as the sun rises, nearly 3/4 of it will be obscured, giving early risers a striking crescent-shaped dawn. In Antarctica, the coverage will be even more dramatic, with nearly 80% of the sun hidden behind the moon. Observers in Fiji, Tonga, and nearby Pacific Islands will also get spectacular views. Unfortunately, those in North America and Europe won't see it directly, though streams will be available online. Regardless of where you're watching from, safety is crucial. Looking at the sun with the naked eye is never safe, even during a partial eclipse. Certified eclipse glasses or proper solar filters must be used at all times. Sunglasses won't work, and using unfiltered binoculars, telescopes, or cameras can cause permanent eye damage. Now, while the eclipse is a southern hemisphere highlight, those in the northern hemisphere won't be left out. Saturn will be at opposition this weekend, meaning Earth is lined up directly between the Sun and Saturn. Because of that alignment, Saturn will appear bigger and brighter in the night sky than at any other time this year. To the naked eye, it will look like a bright star rising in the east at sunset, traveling across the sky all night, and setting at sunrise. With a small telescope, the planet's famous rings, and even some of its moons, can be seen in sharp detail. Neptune also reaches its best viewing point just a couple of days later, making this week especially rewarding for anyone with access to stargazing equipment. Together, the eclipse and Saturn's opposition remind us of how dynamic our skies are. Even if only part of the world gets the live show of the moon's shadow cutting across the sun, the alignment of Earth with Saturn ensures that everyone